Good afternoon. So we had a bit of a stressful morning because everything got really wet last night, so we just had to sort that out and take everything to the dryer, and like we've got all our shoes filled up where they're just soaked still. So instead of staying around Hamilton, we've just driven to Raglan and we booked into a holiday park, so we've actually got a spot, and the facilities right next to the beach over there in the town in the far corner. Yeah, so we're only going to be here for one night. We're just going to see what Raglan's like. It's supposed to be a pretty cool surf-free town, so we'll probably be back at some point in the summer so we can actually take it all in when it's sunny and not chucking it down. But we are going to have a shower because we've not had a hot shower in a few days, and then we're going to go check out the town and stuff. So yeah, I'll bring you along if it's not raining.
It's a beach by a campsite, which is very nice. And that's the view.
Yeah, finally stopped raining.
Finally stopped raining. But yeah. But then you can just see over there, that's where you go surfing. Walking into town. And it's beautiful around here.
Yeah, it's stunning.
Like, really nice. Just be nice if the rain stays off.
Let's go get coffee.
And bread.
And bread. Oh, bless you.
Hello.
So we've left Raglan, we've left Raglan Holiday Park, and we're just going to check out some of the beaches. We're at Michael Bay Lookout at the minute, looking over one of the main beaches. It's very nice.
Very pretty.
And we'll see if we can see some surfers. And then we're going to go down to Bridal Veil Falls today, and then stop at a roadhouse later for free camping.
Yeah, depends if the weather holds out, because it's like there's patches of niceness and then there's like thick heavy clouds.
There's a big mountain over there.
People surfing. Yeah. Alex and I said we plan to come back to Raglan, and whilst we're here next time, weather permitting, conditions permitting, I might try and relearn how to surf, because it's been well over a decade since I've last attempted. Because yeah, not a bad place to do it.
We'll learn it down there.
Although, I was saying to Alex on the drive here, if I was going to learn to surf, part of me goes, surely I'd want to go somewhere hot. But
Why are you here?
because they're manageable waves.
So this is now Manu Bay, where more of like that actual surfing happens. Some big waves going on. People are just hanging around for the right ones. So we just parked up so we can go into Raglan town, just so that you can go to the library and use the Wi-Fi stuff. Town is heaving today because it is a Saturday. Everywhere is full, but look how nice it is.
So blue.
Don't think it's going to stay like that, but nice.
Alex and I are racing the wind and the rain.
Let's go see the waterfall.
Okay, let's go. Depends on your outlook in life. Quite a bit of waterfall. The end. The top is still pretty impressive. But that's your view.